Officer Kevin took all of our snacks. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry. Follow my lead. Help! Officer, help! Help!
What's going on, prisoner? Stop screaming.
There's a big spider! Oh, get it off! Get it off!
What are you doing? Stop laughing.
I got you, Officer Kevin. It was a toy spider.
Just wait until the warden hears about this.
Hurry before he comes back.
So candy's not allowed in prison, huh?
Can I have one piece of candy? Officer Kevin took all of mine.
No way. You should have been more careful.
Fine. Officer Kevin!
Okay, I'll just give you one, but be quiet. Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone what?
Oh, Officer Kevin, we're just talking about girly things.
Nice try, Lily, but I see that candy. Give it to me.
Candy?
I gotta hide my candy quick. I don't think you'll see it here.
You have anything, Mia? Let me check.
Okay.
Ugh, this lock is broken. I need to tell the warden. I'll be right back.
Haha, you have no idea.
Hey, hold your sign up straight and face forward.
Officer Kevin's distracted.
Again, Lily? You know the rules. Give me all your candy.
But
Now, before I take away your outside time. That better be all of it. Now, Mia, let's get back to your pictures. The lighting on your picture looks weird. Let's take that again. Huh?
Huh? What's wrong?
All right, hand over the chocolate.
I don't know what you're talking about. Look, I don't have anything, officer.
Well, I'm done with your picture. You can go back to your cell. Next.
Haha, Officer Kevin didn't see any of my candy. Please, Officer Kevin, can I keep my juice just this one time? I'm so thirsty.
No way. You know the only drink allowed here is water.
But Officer, come on.
I don't want to hear it. Get back to work.
Mia, use my cleaning bucket.
That's okay, I'll just get mine.
But this one's special. Look.
Lily, this is just an ordinary bucket. I need to start cleaning before I get in trouble.
Come on, just check this out real quick. Hurry, take one before he comes back.
So refreshing. Thanks, Lily.
No problem.
Hey, what's going on here?
Nothing, officer.
Yeah, we're just cleaning.
Well, that's enough chit chat. Get back to cleaning.
Yes, Officer Kevin.
Faster, you're gonna clean the cafeteria next.
Hey, Miss Lunch Lady, can I get a special salad?
Oh, of course. Thank you. Next. Here you go. Your salad looks just like mine, Lily. What makes it so special?
Well, my salad has a secret ingredient.
Wow, that's so cool.
Shh, take one.
Hey, what's going on here? Why are you eating off her plate?
It's just that Lily's salad is so much better than mine.
Shh, Mia.
You guys are acting funny. Lily, let me try some of that salad. Huh? Why are there Skittles in your salad, Lily?
But officer.
No excuses. You get 3 hours of extra cleanup time for this. Let's go.
Huh? Ooh, a leftover candy! I'm so lucky!
This is a very serious situation, Officer Kevin. I need you to be on the lookout for this criminal.
Haha, looks like I found my next customers. Oh, this game would be so much better with some snacks.
Don't worry, your troubles are over.
Yeah! Who are you? Shh, that doesn't matter. Do you guys want snacks? The snacks are free. Let me see if I have enough money.
Hey, stop right there. You're going away for a long time.
No! You're so
I still have an hour before my shift ends. A few cookies won't hurt. What? Oh,
I'll give you $5 for the cookies.
I'll give you 10. Come on.
quiet, both of you. There's only one fair way to settle this. Starting at $10, we have a nice pack of Oreos. Anybody, $10. Here, $10.
10 right here. I have 10.
I got 11. Come on, come on.
$11 going once, going twice.
I have $11 and this penny.
$11.01. Anybody else have a better offer? Anybody?
I have $11 and a paperclip.
Looks like Lilly has the better offer. Going once, going twice. Sold to Lilly.
Yay!
Here you go, Lilly. Just this one time.
Sweet, sweet victory.
Seriously, Lilly? This is unacceptable.
How did that get there?
This just ruined your perfect record. You should be more responsible, like Mia. One more candy incident and I'll have to add more time to your sentence.
No, I didn't even that.
Then just follow the rules.
Psst, Lily, you want to eat?
Ew, plastic. I'm not that hungry.
Suit yourself. Chocolate.
Wait, is that chocolate? Can I have some? Oh, come on.
You said you didn't want any.
Lilly, the warden just gave you 1 hour of cleaning time. Let's go.
But
I'll make it 2.
fine.
Haha, more chocolate for me.
I'm so tired of eating this oatmeal. It's so gross.
I don't know what you're talking about, Lily. It's not that bad.
You ate your spoon? Officer Kevin! Officer Kevin! Officer Kevin!
Hey, what's going on around here?
Mia ate her spoon!
I don't know what she's talking about. I think Dale is getting to her.
Really, Lily? You called me for this? Let's go to the warden.
But I wasn't lying!
Hi, everyone!
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!